On this video, we are going to show you how to set up a Neutron staking wallet. First, you need to make an account on Cryptopia exchange and buy any amount of Neutron coins. Now go to neutroncoin.com and scroll down to the wallets section. Neutron has wallets for Linux, Windows, and Mac. Download and install the wallet for your operating system. Once you have your wallet installed, proceed to open it. You will notice in the lower left corner a progress bar. This means that your wallet is syncing with the Neutron network. Let it sync. Once it's synced, go to the Receive Coin tab. On this tab, you will notice an address. Put your mouse cursor over it and right-click it and copy the address. Now you need to go back to Cryptopia website to the Neutron withdraw interface. Paste the address you copied from your wallet into the Neutron address space. Now click on the On Your Balance to transfer the amount to your wallet. If you have Google two-steps verification enabled, enter your code. Then press Next to send your Neutron coins to your wallet. After a little while, your coins will appear on your wallet. You will notice a notification from the incoming transaction, and the coins will be available on your wallet. If you wish, you can encrypt your wallet. To do so, go to Settings and then Encrypt your wallet. Enter a phrase that you can easily remember and re-enter as verification. Write the phrase in a safe place. This step is very important because if you do not remember your phrase, you will lose your coins. Press Yes. Read carefully the important message. Then press OK. Then the wallet will restart. For your wallet to start staking, it is necessary to wait 90 confirmations from the network. That takes around 4 to 5 hours. After 90 confirmations, your wallet will be ready for staking. If you encrypt your wallet, you need to unlock it. To do this, go to Settings and then Unlock Wallet. Make sure that it is marked for staking only. Enter your phrase and click OK. Now you will notice that the lock icon is unlocked. The arrow is gray, but it will turn green when the staking starts. Done. Now the wallet is staking. If you hover the mouse over the icons, will give you information about the status of your wallet. Staking wallets help the network, and for the work they do, they are paid with rewards. Just remember, for the staking to work, you must have your wallet online 24/7. Staking with Neutron is easy.